Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. I know it's been a while, but I had a lot going on. It was the holidays, it was break from work, so I was just like, I'm going to take a break. But today in this video, I'm going to show you some laptops that you can use for streaming. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. I'm going to have various ranges from $600 upwards to $1,000, probably $1,200. If that is your price range, stick around and watch the video. All right? Okay. Let's get into this. Alright, so for the first one we have an Acer Nitro. You know I love the Nitro. There's different levels, so I might show you another one on this. But for right now, for $700, you can get one that has an Intel i5 9th gen, it has 8 GB of RAM, and a GTX 1650. Now you guys missed the Black Friday and like right after Black Friday sale. They had some really amazing laptops that are usually like $1,000 on sale for like $800. So that's why if you see this and you're like, oh my god, there was a better laptop on sale. For example, the Lenovo Legion, that laptop is amazing. I actually have it. I got it for like I actually paid $500, but at the time it was on sale for $1,000. But I had like trade-in discount, so that's why I was able to do that. And I sold an older laptop, so I didn't really pay that much out of pocket, but it was like $1,000. But it came with a Razer laptop, it came with antivirus, and it came with a nice mouse pad. So that was $1,000. I'm actually going to show that as well. That's probably still $1,000. But for this one, this is great for $700 if you're on a budget. Now, if you can find this for like $600, $650, that is a better price range for this. But remember, there's still like low stock during this, you know, pandemic, so stuff is sometimes out of range or some stuff is in range. So this is a good laptop if you plan on streaming like with a console. So if you want to, you know, play your PS5 or your Xbox Series X and you just want to stream to Twitch or YouTube or Facebook, this would be a perfect option for you to use, right? Okay, let's get into the next laptop. Next, we have the HP Omen. It is a 15.6-inch display. All right, it has an RTX 2060, so that's a better GPU. All right, it has 512 hard drive space, SSD. All right, it has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it has an Intel i7 10th gen. Okay, and this one is $1,150. For that price, that is amazing. Okay, this is usually like $1,200, $1,250, or $1,300 depending on the brand. This is a steal. And actually, if you look on Best Buy, I'll probably leave the Amazon links down below, but on Best Buy it is $1,150, and you can find the Openbox for about $900. If you could get this laptop for $900 with a RTX 2060, that is a steal. Don't miss it. All right, let's go on to the next one. Next, we have an MSI laptop. I really like the brand MSI. I've seen their laptops, I've used their laptops. I haven't owned one myself, but the experience is just, I really love it. Anyways, so they have one here. It has an Intel i7. It has 512 SSD solid state drive storage. Okay, it has 8 gigabytes of RAM though, but it does come with a GTX 1660 Ti. Okay, and all of that for $850. Okay, now I know you guys are like, oh, 16, you know, everyone recommends 16. I definitely recommend 16, but for $850, especially if you can find an open box for a little bit cheaper, you can put your own stick of RAM in it. Because for 16 gigabytes of RAM, they're gonna charge you extra $100 when it costs about $20 to $50 to buy an 8 gigabyte stick of RAM to put it in your laptop. So if you want to pay the extra $100, $150 for one stick of RAM, by all means, be my guest. But for $850 and you get a GTX 1660 Ti, go for it. All right, don't miss out, because there was a wonderful sale, again, like I said, on the Lenovo Legions, and I paid a little more than I wanted to, but it was about the same price because, you know, in New York it's the taxes. That's why mine came up to $1,000 thanks to taxes. All right. But all right, so let's get into the next laptop, because I want to give you guys at least 4, maybe 5 this video, so you guys can have a bunch of options to choose from. All right, next we have an Asus Tough laptop. It has a Ryzen 7 4800H. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It has an RTX 2060, and it has 512 solid state drive. It is 984 bucks. Okay, that's a little high for only 8 gigabytes of RAM. But again, if you can find the open box, go for it. But this is the price on Amazon. For RTX 2060, that is about the right price. You can't really find a laptop that has an RTX 60 that is under $1,000 unless there's some give and take. Also, this has 120 hertz refresh screen. I think this one actually goes up to 144 because there's different variants, but the one that I'm showing, I believe this one is 120. The 144 might be a little bit more expensive, but this is an option that you can choose. All right, guys, so for the last one, I'm going to show you the Asus ROG Zephyrus. All right, this one has an Intel i7 processor, a GTX 1660 Max Q. It has 256 gigabytes of storage, solid state drive. All right, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. I know on Best Buy right now it shows 1,080 bucks. But if you see down here, it shows that for Openbox, all right, I think it's over here when I crop it out. Anyways, for Openbox, you can find it for $600. Okay, this is the only reason why I'm showing you this, because this is the only laptop that is close or is at $600, and it's supposed to be almost $1,100. All right, guys, this is a steal. Even at the $1,100 price range, that is still really high, especially if we just saw a RTX 2060 for about this price. But for this brand, you gotta, you pay for the brand. All right, you pay for the brand. That's what's really happening. But if you could get this for like $600 to $900, that is the perfect price point. I know a lot of people like brand spanking new laptops, but it's okay to buy open box because all they did was open it, use it. They were like, nah, this is not for me, and I either bought something that was more expensive or something that was cheaper. That's usually what happens. But guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. I've been doing a whole bunch of unboxings and all that crap, but here we go. The next, I'm going to do a PC build for you guys, like parts that you can build, and then probably in a month or two, once Micro Center starts to stock up again, I will build another PC for the channel. All right, thank you guys for watching. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We are only 13 people away. Come join the Jack squad. All right, guys, HXG out.